Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Elise London, and for those who don't know me, welcome and hope you're doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be working with the company Luvme Hair, and they were kind enough to send me over their 12-inch silky straight bob lace frontal wig. And this is what the wig looks like after I went in and plucked the hairline, plucked the parting, and added my foundation to the lace. So as you just saw me trying to figure out how I'm going to style this unit, if I want a middle or a side part, but I think I'm going to go with a side part. So I'm going to get up and close and personal with you guys, and you can see that the lace is very, very nice. It blends well. And I also feel like this is transparent lace because when I received this wig, I could barely see the knots. And that's how you know that you've got a good quality wig on your hands. See, I became pre-plucked, but I'll talk about this hair more towards the end of today's installation. So what I'm going to do first is install this wig, and then we'll get into all the deets about this unit. So I'm going to show you guys the back. Dude, I can't even see it on camera. That is how flipping good this hair is. Love me. Stop playing. You guys, stop playing with me. yeah, you guys, this is the end result, and this was so simple, quick and easy to install, just because one, it's a closure, and two, the hairline comes already customized for you. So if you're a beginner to wigs, then you do not have to worry about customizing because everything comes done for you. Now let's get into what was inside of the packaging alongside of this hair. I find it's really funny, you guys, because I never thought I would receive nails with my hair. Thoughtful though. Same with the earrings. I was like, what? I'm getting treated today. I feel special. Then there was also a 2-in-1 pack of lashes and a scrunchie. I'm not too sure what this is, but I think it's some sort of jewelry. And it came with a wide tooth comb, which I used throughout. And it came with the hair instructions on how to wash the hair and how to keep the hair lasting long. So inside of the cap, there was 4 combs, plus an adjustable strap at the back and a sewn on elastic band for extra security. And to install this wig, I didn't use the adjustable straps. I only used the elastic band, and that was more than enough securement for me. Let's talk about body. Do you not see this? I love wigs which have this kind of flow and movement. Just gorgeous. And this is the hairline straight out of the packaging. As you can see here, it's slightly pre-plucked. Like I said before, you can leave the hairline exactly like this, but for me, I got to go in and customize to my taste. But other than that, I did not go in and bleach this unit. As I told you before, this lace is transparent, so when I added my foundation to that lace, girl, it already looks like scalp. This video is coming to an end, so leave a big thumbs up and I'll see you all in the next video.